Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss what is Windows Internet Naming System or WINS. So Windows Internet Naming System is a service used in Windows networks to resolve NetBIOS names into IP addresses, and it enables easier communication between devices on a local area network by translating user-friendly names into machine-readable addresses. So Win support dynamic registration and replication of name data, but it has largely been replaced by more efficient domain name system, which is DNS and more modern networking. So the Windows Internet Naming System, or WINS, is a Microsoft service that resolves NetBIOS names into IP addresses in a Windows network, and it allows computer to find each other by name instead of using numerical IP addresses. So WINS is primarily used in older networks that rely on NetBIOS for communication, and it helps to manage the name resolution in dynamic IP environments. Next is the importance of WINS. The importance of WINS or Windows Internet Naming Systems lies in its specific functionalities and historical context within network management, especially environments utilizing NetBIOS. So, ang importance po sa lain sa WINS is kanang nag-amplify siya og network communication by allowing users and applications to access devices using human re- readable names instead of IP address. Kanang ma-facilitate siya easier through management and connectivity in networks where devices frequently change their IP addresses, and also additionally, WINS helps prevent name conflicts and improves resource sharing in Windows environments, making it essential for legacy networks that rely on NetBIOS. So, muna siya ang lain nga importance sa WINS. So, dapat magbalod dyan na, guys. Pwede siyang kanang gamiton jud ang ma-facilitate jud siya easier by kanang ma-manage siya sa connectivity networks where devices frequently change their IP address. Then kanang ang wins kay help siya ma-prevent ang name kanang conflict siya niya ma-improve siya through resource sharing in Windows environments, and it will make essential for us and also the legacy networks that relies on NetBIOS. Next is the key features of WINS. First is the name resolution. WINS provides a crucial service for solving NetBIOS names to IP addresses and allowing users to access network resources using using easily memorable name instead of numerical IP addresses. So akong giingon ganina nga kanang mas reliable if mag-use of names instead of IP addresses. I mean, instead of numerical IP addresses. Next is dynamic updates. It supports dynamic registration and deregistration of devices, making it easier for networks to manage devices that frequently connect and disconnect. So, katong akong gingon ganina, katong connectivity. The next one is the legacy support. For networks that still rely on older application and system using NetBIOS, WINS is essential for maintaining compatibility and functionality. The next one is replication WINS. It can replicate its database across multiple servers and ensuring that name resolution is consistent and reliable across a distributed network. And next is reduce broadcast traffic by Means for name resolution network can reduce the broadcast traffic that occurs when devices try to resolve the names without centralized service. The second one is the simplified management. WINS centralized name resolution, simplifying network management and troubleshooting by providing a single point for name registration and resolution. While WINS has largely been replaced by DNS in modern networks, and it remains important for certain legacy system and specific use cases where NetBIOS is still in use. Gamit kayo siya, guys. Kay reliable kayo siya ba? And diri na punta sa side nga unsaon ang wins nga mag-work, how wins work. So, Windows Internet Naming System works by resolving NetBIOS names into IP addresses through the following steps. First one is the name registration. So, balik yapon. When a device connects to the network, it registers its NetBIOS name and IP address with a WINS server. The second one is the name resolution. When a device needs to communicate with another device, it queries the WIN server for the corresponding IP address to the NetBIOS name. Third one is the name deregistration. Upon disconnection, a device can deregister its name or the server may automatically remove it after the timeout. Last one is the replication. WIN servers can replicate their database to ensure consistent name resolution across multiple servers. And so diri na punta ka ng topic na decline in use. Why has WINS fallen out of favor? WINS has fallen out of favor due to the rise of the domain name system or DNS, which is more efficient, scalable, and versatile. Most modern networks have transitioned to domain name system, making WINS largely obsolete, except in some legacy systems that still rely on NetBIOS. Ano siya guys, mo na mga reason. Ngano ang WIN ma-fallen out of favor. So dapat jud nga kanang aware ta and know ta how to manage. So conclusion, the Windows Internet System WINS is essential for resolving NetBIOS names into IP addresses in Windows networks. It facilitates communication and resource sharing, particularly in environments which legacy systems, although its importance has diminished with the widespread adoption of DNS, WINS still serves specific use cases ensuring compatibility and support in diverse network configurations. So, importante jud kaayo ang kuan guys, na jud side nga importante jud ang wins kay I mean makatabang jud siya kay usam gud siya sa maka-resolve sa NetBIOS kanang NetBIOS name to IP addresses in a Windows network. Then it allows computers to find each other by name instead of using numerical IP addresses. So akong gingon ganina, so WINS is primarily used in older networks that rely on NetBIOS for communication to help manage. Ang gingon ganina nga ma-help siya to help manage the name resolution in dynamic IP environments. So arita sa last. Last is the conclusion. Final niya guys. So, the Windows Internet Naming System. So, ako nang din tabi ganina. Ang WIN still serves specific use cases, ensuring compatibility and support in diverse network configurations. So, WINS, ang WINS guys, nagplayed a crucial role in early Windows networking sa karon by providing name resolution for NetBIOS names, and it allows devices to communicate using user-friendly names, and it features such a dynamic registration and replication facilitated effective network management. So, mo na siya guys. Nag-play siya og crucial role in early Windows networking niya. Na mention sa dire nga na it features and replication facilitated effective network management. So, gamit dito siya. However, with the rise of the domain name system or DNS, it offers a greater scalability and efficiency and functionality. Wins has largely fallen out of favor today because it's mainly found in legacy systems and specific environments that still depend on NetBIOS. As organizations continue to modernize their networks, the use of WINS is expected to diminish further, marking its transition into a mostly historical component of network architecture. So, more to siya guys. Thank you. Thank you and God bless everyone. Save to.